In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink a component Webflow. We'll walk through a safe, repeatable workflow that helps you identify a component, review it, and remove its ties when it's no longer needed, using a helper app inside Webflow to keep your project tidy. Start by opening your Webflow project in the designer. Once you're in, use the search to quickly find what you're working on. In the search field, type the keyword highlight. This helps surface any components, instances, or elements using that name. If you don't see it right away, type highlight again to refine the focus and make sure the correct element is selected on the canvas. Repeat the search as needed so you're looking at the exact component you intend to clean up. Next, open the Apps panel in Webflow and look for an app called Components and Variables Cleaner. Click it to view more details about how it scans and removes unused items in your project. Choose Open Full Listing to access the app's full page. Take a moment to click into the Description tab so you understand what it does and how it treats components and variables. Then open the Permissions tab to see what access the app needs. It's good practice to review this before installing any tool. Now install the app on your site. Click Install on Site, and proceed through the installation prompts, confirming each step until the app is fully connected to your project. If you're prompted multiple times, continue clicking Install on Site until the process completes. Tip: before making changes with any cleanup tool, consider duplicating your site or creating a backup version so you can roll back if needed. Return to the designer and click the Highlight component instance you want to address. With that selected, reopen Components and Variables Cleaner from your Apps panel. From here, use the options the app presents to scan your project. The app will highlight items it considers unused or safe to remove. Follow the highlighted prompts inside the app to proceed. If you see the component or related assets flagged as unused, click through the highlighted action to continue, and then confirm when prompted. Once the scan and confirmations are complete,